First things first, this shirt is from 2023. And I just gotta say, my biceps, they did not fill this thing out like they do now. This was small back in the day, 3 years ago.
Give her 2 tickets to the gun show.
That feels pretty cool. All right, well, what we're here to do today, I saw somewhere that you can use a slip sheet, which apparently this is used for transferring patients from bed to bed, but it's very slippery. And I saw somewhere that you can use a slip sheet to help put your knee sleeves on. So we're gonna try that today in honor of IPF, saying that you can use assistance to get your knee sleeves on, but I don't wanna ask any of the dudes here at the gym to help get these on. So I'm gonna try to use a slip sheet. We'll see how it goes. First, I use all my effort and force to fold it over. I use the A7 Rigor Mortis. I actually just switched over from Inzers. I loved my Inzers. I still use Inzer wrist wraps, but I don't know, felt like switching it up. I don't know, it felt like the quality of the Inzers were just not the greatest. They kept ripping, and the first pair I got, one was bigger than the other, and so I was like, not a fan, but they sent me a new pair, which was nice. But then that pair, after 4 months of use, started ripping, so switched over, trying the Rigor Mortis. I've been using these for, like, I think maybe 3 months. They're still not broken in, so they're kind of a pain in the booty to get on. But we're gonna try this. So I'm gonna go here. Did I do this? I did this right. And then, because I don't feel like bending over again, once my knee sleeves are on, I'm gonna actually put my shoes on first. I squat flat. I used heeled shoes when I first started, and I really didn't need to. There was no need. I just got that dancer mobility. So what I heard is you have to stuff the slip sheet in to the knee sleeve first. I have no idea if I'm doing this right. Slide it, stuff it in there, and then we pull the knee sleeve over. And then you have to pull the slip sheet out. Oh, that was so easy. Are you kidding? Where has this been? New trick, new hack. Everyone go on Amazon and get a freaking slip sheet. This might have just completely changed my life, because y'all don't know the struggle that I have to do to, like, here, let's try this side. It's happening, it's gonna get there. But the amount of struggle and energy, a little bit more. Okay, we got it. Am I there? I'm kind of there. The amount of energy I'm gonna save with this was, I don't know, $9 on Amazon. Well, there you go, there's the hack. I'll show you how I get them off. I heard that you're supposed to put this on the bottom and then slips down. This is a game changer, y'all. Now I'm gonna go squat. A little bit of carbs. Don't mind the way I'm talking, I got my mouth guard falling out. Okay, that was some quick reflexes. That was pretty sick. All right, let's prepare for war. Heavy single, this is 142.5 kilos, 314 or so pounds. This will be a nice light top single today. We're just coming off of a deload. This will be nothing. Hey, I was going for some crazy weight over there. This is what I love about the gym. I want to, like, see other people succeed. All right, crazy. Or a 400-pound squat, multiple reps. Crazy, someday. Crazy. Squeeze the scaps, in and down. Tight on the back. Lightweight, baby. Lightweight. All right, top single done. Now time for back downs. Right, I am done with squat, heavy single, back downs, and then I did a little SB good morning situation, which if you don't know what that is, that's okay. I'll show you another time. But it's time to get these tight MFers off. Let's see how it works with this slip sheet. So if I take this, I was told put it like, oh wait, this is a little tube. I can put myself in the tube, put it, slide it inside. Then we roll a little bit down. I guess I saw you keep rolling, but I don't think that works too well. Y'all, it was so much easier. That's just great. This is, easy investment, you guys. Slip sheet on Amazon. Save your energy for your lifts, not for taking your knee sleeves off. All right, let's get the other side. All right. Oh, juicy quads, juicy. It's a little wobble back and forth. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby. This side's a little harder. It's my right side is a little thicker. That's still not too bad. Look at how it just, still not too bad. A little bit of effort, but as to be expected, I'm sweaty. I got a little bit more of a pump now. My legs are a little juicier because of the workout that we just did. So I'm really happy. That is going in my powerlifting bag, adding it to the toolbox or the now massive backpack of gear. So go get yourself a slip sheet. Happy lifting. Well, stay tuned. I'm gonna be posting some tutorial videos about how to do certain exercises all under a minute. So it's a quick, easy way to learn how to exercise and do these movements properly. Give me a subscribe, follow along. I appreciate the support. Go lift heavy.